Hi everyone. This is a quick tutorial on how to use the Map My Watershed tool developed by the Kentucky Water Resources Research Institute. So when you navigate to the web page and initialize the application, you'll encounter a splash screen, which just gives you some basic information on what the app is, describes some basic functionality, use cases, and some known issues. Also, there's a link tutorial which we're currently using, so thank you for taking the time to check out this app, and now we're going to dig into it. So the first thing we're going to cover is the different widgets on the screen. So on the left side, we have the layer list and legend widget, which allows you to toggle the visibility of the layers and display the map symbology of the feature when they are active. As you can see, they're all toggled off and will become active when a county is selected from the drop-down menu. We can also expand and collapse this widget for viewing purposes. Now on the right side of the screen, we have the print widget, which allows you to print a view of the map at any time. As you can see, you can set a title for your map, choose the page size. Sadly, page options are limited for client-side print services, but eventually we'll move to server-side and have a lot more functionality. You can also specify a file format. It's worth noting that if you wanted to edit the appearance of the map further, you could just select this .aix file and bring that into Adobe Illustrator and do additional edits. Additionally, there are some more advanced options which allow you to set the spatial scale for more detailed prints, specify author, copyright, and your DPI. For DPI, we have a minimum of 96 and a maximum of 600. You could also elect to have a north arrow, legend, and a scale bar. And now that we've covered the widget controls, let's make a map. So if we navigate to the drop-down menu, you'll see that all 120 Kentucky counties are available for selection. So we're going to go ahead and select a random county so we can further demonstrate the print widget, and we'll go with Boyle County. As you can see, as soon as you select the county, the map will zoom to that area and populate data regarding the HUC 12 watersheds, river basins, wastewater treatment plants, drinking water treatment plants, primary schools, city boundaries, water bodies, and rivers and streams. Also, you'll notice a transparent overlay that'll pop up and cover everything that falls outside of that county boundary. As we mentioned earlier, it's possible to toggle all of these layers on and off in the layer list legend, and that's particularly useful for like printing. So if you don't want a layer included in the print, you can just turn it off. So now I'll show you the printing process. We'll start by adding a title for the map, and we'll call that Boyle County Watersheds. We'll leave the page setup the same, but I will change the file format just because the PNG format generally exports faster than the PDF option. We'll set the scale, but I won't change the scale factor. I'll just leave it at default. However, if you wanted a more zoomed in view, you just need to alter this option. Specify the author, copyright, and we'll ramp the DPI up to 600. We want the legend in the north arrow, and once you've selected everything, just click export and wait. Once it's exported, the file download will appear here at the bottom, and so we can just click on that to see our print. So in the map view, you can move the map over to get it a little more centered and adjust the scaling factor to zoom in further to get the print exactly how you want it. So the final thing we'll talk about is the feedback button. This application is far from complete, so we need your help to improve it. So we added in a way for you to send your suggestions and comments directly to us. So all you have to do is just scroll up here and click the feedback button, and then type your comments into the input box and click submit. Once you click submit, the application will redirect you to a confirmation page, and to go back to the application, all you have to do is click the hyperlink. So again, thank you for your support, and we hope you enjoy this product.